Are you looking for an adrenaline rush? Do you love the outdoors? If so, then adventure tree climbing is the perfect activity for you. Watch our kids climb this practice tree as part of a professional tree climbing adventure. Tree climbing is a great way to get exercise, explore nature, and have some fun. Plus, it's a fantastic way to teach kids about the importance of conservation and the need to protect our forests. Adventure tree climbing is a thrilling activity that allows you to explore treetops in a whole new way. You'll use a variety of ropes and other equipment to navigate your way up a tree, and you'll get to see the forest from a whole new perspective.